Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are safe at home. Children, before going to the new topic, we just recall our previous one in which you have learnt the numbers from 1 to 9 with the help of the objects. So today we are going to learn a new topic. It is based on different types of picture in which we are going to count the picture and write the numbers as answer. Let's go inside the topic. Students, our today's topic is observe the picture carefully. Here in this topic you can see many types of pictures. Let's see what are they. In the first picture you can see a bird, second a cup, the third picture you can see a rainbow, fourth you can see a cockroach, it is familiar to everyone, and in the second line, first picture you can see a slate, second you can see an auto rickshaw, then a cup, then a flower, then in the next line you can see an octopus, a bird, a slate, a cockroach. In the fourth line you can see a rainbow, a bird, a cockroach, an auto rickshaw. So here different types of pictures are there. Now the next is what we are going to do is count the objects and write the numbers in the given boxes. Here the same pictures are there. Now we have to find out how many pictures are there. Okay, first a bird is there. Let's count how many birds are there. In the first line you can see one bird. In second line there is no bird. In the third line again you can see a bird. In the fourth line again you can see a bird. So total how many birds are there? 3 birds are there. Total how many birds? 3 birds. Okay, next is a cup. Let's see how many cups are there. In the first line you can see one cup. In the second line you can see another cup. Third line there is no cup. Fourth line no cup. So total how many cups are there? 2 cups. Total we have 2 cups. Next is a rainbow. A colorful rainbow which you can see in the rainy season. And everybody likes the rainbow. How many colors are there in the rainbow? Anybody can say? There are 7 colors. What are they? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Yes. These are the 7 colors in the rainbow we can see in the rainy season. Now, how many rainbows are there? In the first line, you can see one rainbow. In the second line, there is no rainbow. In the third line, there is no rainbow. In the fourth line, you can see one rainbow. So, total how many rainbows are there? 2 rainbows. Total 2 rainbows. Next is a cockroach. Let's see how many cockroaches are there. In the first line, you can see one cockroach. In second line, there is no cockroach. In the third line, you can see another cockroach. In the fourth line, one more cockroach. Total, you can see 3 cockroaches. 1, 2, 3. How many cockroaches are there? 3. Next is a slate. How many slates are there? In the first line, there is no slate. Second line, one slate is there. Third line, one slate is there. And fourth line, there is no slate. So total 2 slates are there. How many slates? 2 slates. Next, an auto rickshaw. Let's see how many auto rickshaws are there in this topic. First line, there is no auto rickshaw. In the second line, one auto rickshaw is there. Third line, there is no auto rickshaw. In the fourth line, one auto rickshaw is there. So total 2 auto rickshaws are there. How many? 2 auto rickshaw. Next is a flower. Now let's see how many flowers are there. First line, there is no flower. Second line, one flower is there. Third line, there is no flower. And fourth line, no flower. So total 1 flower. How many flowers? 1 flower. Next is an octopus. How many octopuses are there? First line, there is no octopus. Second line, there is no octopus. Third line, one octopus is there. Fourth line, there is no octopus. So total 1 octopus. Children, let's see another example of the same topic. Observe the picture carefully from your textbook. Now here, children, we can see many toys are there. So what are they? Let's see. Cars, many cars are there, balls are there, bat, pencils, bags, book. Now we have to see how many cars are there, how many balls are there, how many bat is there, and how many dolls are there. Before going to count all these things, let's see. A photo frame which is hanging on the wall. Next to that, one cupboard is there. Above the cupboard, we can see a car, a ball. Near the cupboard, you can see a bat. Below the cupboard, you can see a ball, a car, a doll, one pencil, another car, then a ball, another car, a ball, a doll, a book, a bag full of books, pencil, a ball, and one table. Above the table, we can see a bag and a car. Now children, if you see the cars, 5 cars are there, but one car is different from other cars. So we have to count 4 cars only. And we have to count the balls, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So let's see. Count the objects and write the numbers in the given boxes. Here, first which picture is given? A doll. Now, we'll go to the question and we'll find out. Here, how many dolls are there? There are 2 dolls, but both the dolls are different. We have to select the doll which is pink in color. Okay, now, so the doll is 1. Next, bag is given. How many bags are there? 2 bags. 1, 2. So how many bags are there? 2 bags. Next is a pencil. Let's see how many pencils are there. 1, 2, 3. How many pencils are there? 3 pencils. The next is a car. Let's see how many cars are there. 1 car, 2, 3, and 4. How many cars are there? 4 cars are there. Then another picture is a ball. So how many balls are there? 1, that is below the table. 2. Then 3. Fourth one is above the cupboard. So how many balls are there? 4 balls. Next is your bat. How many bats are there? Only 1 bat, which is near the cupboard. Let's see. So total only 1 bat. So I think you must have understood the topic. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe. Let's meet in the next session.